Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You cannot change a WhatsApp voice message bubble color directly. WhatsApp does not offer a specific control for that element. Instead, adjust global appearance using the app theme or the chat wallpaper settings. Changing wallpaper or switching between light and dark modes alters how voice bubbles look within a chat. Modded WhatsApp apps claim custom colors, but they violate terms and risk account bans and data loss. I will show safe official steps first, then explain risky workarounds and backup advice. Open WhatsApp and tap Settings to change your app theme. Go to Settings, then Chats, then Theme to select light or dark. Next, choose Settings, Chats, Wallpaper to set a chat-specific image or color. Pick a solid color, gradient, or photo to alter bubble contrast and perceived color. For business users, install WhatsApp Business and compare its interface accents and tones. These official steps change appearance without risking your account or data security. Some Android mods let you customize bubble color and UI elements freely. These mods require installing unofficial APKs, and they often revoke official WhatsApp access. Using mods increases risk of account ban, malware infection, and data theft. If you still explore customization, first backup chats to Google Drive or iCloud. Also enable two-step verification and never share your verification code or password. For most users, changing wallpaper or theme remains the same.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.